There might have been possible intoxication. If you get if there was emergency room treatment right away, if you get the emergency room records, they may reflect the fact that there's a presence of alcohol, smell of alcohol, things like that. Too far after that, you pretty much, if a witness saw it or something like that, otherwise you probably wouldn't know.
Okay, and one of the problems those trial lawyers have is that our clients don't tell the same story, and they don't do it intentionally, but it seems to be with the rush of the trauma and all the excitement when they get to an emergency room, they may tell the doctor one thing, they may tell us another thing. Mm-hmm. Is that something that you find?
That is a very common thing. In fact, I have, to myself, the police officers, doctors, nurses can spoil more cases one way or the other for either the plaintiff's side or the defense side, because really they're not concerned with the facts of the accident as it applies legally. They're really there to determine whether, how that relates to the injury. And they can do a lot of damage if they put things down that the person didn't say, or they paraphrase them wrong, things like that. So yes, that's a very, very common thing.
I find it also very common, and I have some cases where the police report actually shows they were involved in an automobile accident. The doctor's records do, but when it came to the emergency room, they said they fell.
Right.
Why does that happen?
Well, and that's an extreme case. I mean, I can't say over the 40-plus years I've been doing this that I haven't seen that. There's a case where I think the person's probably trying to pull the wool over everybody's eyes, including the lawyer. Maybe they don't realize we're going to get certain records.
Right. Okay, and that does happen quite often in different law firms. When you order the police report, police officers make errors.